What if the comfort of chai met the indulgence of tres leches cake? Milky, boldly spiced, and impossibly tender. This is the cake you didn't know you needed. The secret to a great tres leches cake is the cake itself, and we're making a Genoise sponge. We'll start with our eggs. Crack your eggs into a separate bowl first. It's a simple step that guarantees no stray shells will ruin your beautiful batter. Now we aerate the eggs with sugar. The key to a light, airy Genoise is whipping tons of air into this mixture. We'll gently heat them over a double boiler first, just until the sugar is fully dissolved and the mixture is paler in color. This gives us a much smoother, more stable foam to work with. We're going to whip this until it reaches the ribbon stage. That's when you lift up the whisk and the batter falls back in a thick ribbon that holds its shape for a moment. When we add our flour, we do it in 3 separate batches, making sure to sift and gently fold it in each time. Sifting prevents clumps, and folding like this keeps all that beautiful air we worked so hard to create. Once it's combined, it goes into an oiled pan and into the oven for about 16 to 18 minutes. It's that fast. While the cake is baking, we'll make the heart and soul of this dish, the chai-infused tres leches, or 3 milks. We'd start by making a really potent chai. Don't be shy with the tea leaves and the spices here. We need a strong, bold flavor to stand up to all that milky richness. Once it's this beautiful terracotta color, we'll stir in our second milk, evaporated milk. Let that infuse on low. We don't want to boil it anymore. You'll know the cake is done when a skewer comes out clean. We'll strain our beautifully infused chai milk and then stir in our third milk, condensed milk. Sweet, decadent, and absolutely beautiful. Honestly, at this point, I could just drink this entire bowl of chai soak. It smells absolutely incredible. Once the cake has cooled completely, we'll poke holes all over the surface. This creates little channels for our soak to get into every single nook and cranny. Now we'll pour the soak all over our cake. The best, most patient version of you will let this soak overnight. If you're in a hurry, 2 hours in the fridge will also do the trick, but honestly, you get the best results from a long soak. For the topping, we're making a light cardamom spiced whipped cream. Here's another little secret. Use a frozen bowl. The cold helps the fat and the cream firm up faster, giving you a beautiful, sturdy, soft peak every time. A little touch of cardamom here echoes the masala chai flavor in the soak and ties the whole dessert together. We'll pipe this luscious cardamom-scented cream all over our soaked cake. You can also spread it gently with a spatula. Now for the final flourish, a garnish of crushed pistachios and some dried rose petals for a pop of color and a beautiful floral aroma. My favorite dishes are the ones that tell a story, and this cake is the perfect example of my two great loves: the warm, spicy soul of my Indian heritage and the rich, celebratory desserts I've fallen in love with here. And for the final, most indulgent moment, we take that little bit of leftover chai milk and pour it over the slice just before serving. This cake looks so impressive, but as you saw, it's just a series of simple, thoughtful steps.
Delicious. If this chai tres leches cake got you excited about blending tradition with creativity, come join my private Indian cooking community. We go way beyond recipes, diving into techniques, flavors, and intuition that bring the authentic taste of India to your table.